Is your property looking a little wild? An overgrown yard isn't just an eyesore, it's a silent destroyer, a ticking time bomb that's systematically damaging your investment from the outside in. Every month that grass goes unmowed, every season that trees grow unchecked, you're not just losing curb appeal, you're risking thousands of dollars in repairs. At Billy Goat's Hauling and Property Preservation, we've seen it all. We've seen what happens when nature is left to its own devices. And trust me, it's not pretty. Let's talk about the hidden dangers. Property owners often underestimate the sheer destructive power of unchecked growth. It's not just about looking messy. It's about structural integrity, safety, and the long-term value of your asset. Take trees, for example. They don't just grow up. Their roots grow out, relentlessly seeking moisture. And where do they find it? Right next to your foundation. Those roots can be 20-30 feet long, pushing directly against your concrete, creating cracks, and allowing water to seep in. What starts as a hairline fracture can lead to a flooded basement and foundation repairs costing anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. And it's not just what's underground. Branches hanging over your roof scrape away shingles, letting rain in. Leaves clog your gutters, causing water to overflow and rot the very structure of your home. A single large branch falling during a storm can crash right through your roof, causing immediate, catastrophic damage. Think a roof repair is cheap? Think again. You could be looking at $2,000 to $8,000 easily. You might not even realize it, but tiny seeds are your property's secret enemy. A single seed, blown by the wind, can land in your gutter, a crack in the siding, or near your foundation. Before you know it, you have a sapling growing on your roof, its roots tearing through shingles, or a small tree, pushing your foundation walls apart. By the time you notice it, years of hidden damage have already been done. And then there are the vines. Ivy and kudzu might look charming, but they are among the most destructive forces we deal with. Their tendrils don't just climb your walls, they burrow into mortar, get under siding, and pry your structure apart piece by piece. They trap moisture against your home, creating a perfect environment for mold and rot. Plus, they act as a superhighway for pests. Spiders, rodents, you name it, giving them a direct path into your home. Removing vines often reveals a shocking amount of damage hidden beneath. Even simple overgrown grass and shrubs pose a serious threat. Most cities, including here in Louisville, have ordinances about grass height. Let it get too tall, and you're looking at daily fines that add up fast. Tall grass is also a 5-star resort for pests like rodents and snakes. And, let's be honest, an overgrown property screams neglected, causing its value to plummet by as much as 30%. In dry seasons, all that dead vegetation becomes a serious fire hazard, threatening not just your property, but your neighbors as well. So, let's do the math. You think you're saving money by skipping lawn care, a $10,000 foundation repair, a $5,000 roof fix, thousands in mold remediation and pest control. It adds up. A single season of neglect can easily lead to tens of thousands in damages. Regular maintenance costs just a tiny fraction of that. This is especially critical for vacant properties, rental units between tenants, REO assets, or any property that's sitting empty. That's where we come in. At Billy Goat's, we are your property's first line of defense. We handle everything from routine lawn mowing and tree trimming to emergency vine and debris removal. We know the local Louisville codes and will keep your property compliant. We are fully insured, professional, and equipped to handle any overgrowth situation, big or small. We offer flexible maintenance plans, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or even just a one-time cleanup, all designed to fit your specific needs and budget. Our preventative approach stops problems before they become expensive disasters. Don't wait for a small issue to become a crisis. Overgrowth damage happens faster than you think. Regular maintenance is the cheapest insurance you can buy for your property. It protects your investment, maintains its value, and gives you peace of mind. If you have a property in the Louisville area that needs attention, don't gamble with its future. Let the pros at Billy Goat's Hauling and Property Preservation keep your investment safe, secure, and valuable. Give us a call today for a transparent, no-hassle quote. Our number is 502-631-7562, or you can find us online at Billy Goat's Hauling. Co-me. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more property preservation tips. We're Billy Goats. We keep Louisville properties protected and valuable. We'll see you in the next one.